Okay, let's look at importing data into CatBase from an XML file. We'll start by looking at the structure of our database. We've got two tables, products and variants, and they're related together. We're going to have a quick look at how that's set up by going to the database setup screen. There's our products table definition, there's our variants table definition, and if we go to manage relations, we can see that variance is related to products. In other words, you can have any number of variance records linked to each product record. So let's have a quick look at the XML file that we're going to import. Here it is. We can see that our root element, let's close that up. Right, our root element is listings, and within listings we have products, and within products we have the various product elements, and we also have variants, which is the table related to products, variants and various variant details. So to import this data into CatBase, let's just flip back to CatBase now. We're going to create an import style. So I'll go to products, which is the main table, expand the import topic on the left and click on new import style. So let's call this XML import. Right, now CatBase needs to know what format this file is that we're importing, so we click on this pop-up list here and choose XML. Now you can see the screen's changed. There's a big empty area on the left here because we haven't selected the actual file that we're going to import yet. And then over on the right we've got the CatBase tables and fields that we're going to map our import data to. So if I expand the products table here, we can see all the fields in the products table, and related to that we've got variants, so we can see all the fields in the variants table. So now I'll select the file that I want to import. I'll just click on the select button here, and my file is here. So here we go. CatBase has opened up that XML file and expanded the first few elements. So now we just need to tell CatBase how to map the tables and the fields. First of all, we've got the top element, which is the products table. So I'm going to drag that over and drop that onto the products table name in CatBase. Now you can see it's got products mapped to products. Now I just need to map the individual fields. So product name from the XML file goes to product name in CatBase. Picture goes to picture. It happens that in this example the fields are all named the same in both the CatBase file and in the XML file. There we go. But that may not necessarily be the case for your project. So now we've got the variants, so let's map variants to variants, and then the fields, we've got variant name, color, description, pack quantity, prices, size, sort order, and weight. Okay, so now you can see that each field that's mapped is shown in green, and it has the name of the XML element next to the name of the CatBase field that it's mapped to. Alright, we're ready to import, so let's click on the Import Now button. So CatBase is now importing all the data, matching the fields and saving the records. Let's have a look at what we've got. Let's make that bigger. Okay, so these are the variants that have been imported, and these are the products. Now if I double click on one of these products, I can see the variants that belong to that product. Let's find one that's got a few more. There we go. So this product has got 4 variants belonging to it. So that's it. We've just imported an XML file into CatBase, and you can see how easy it is to do that.